In 1971, Lannie Corbin started his career with the Niceville city government. That was 51, almost 52 years ago in August. Well, a lot has happened since then. And to give you an idea of just how much has happened, I'm going to read off some stats for you. First thing to know, in 1971, the voting age was lowered to 18 years old with the 26th Amendment. Disney World opened that year. The Colts beat the Cowboys to win Super Bowl V by a score of 16-13. James Taylor, that's one of my dad's favorite artists, his song "You've Got a Friend" was number one on the first week of August when Lannie Corbin started at the city of Niceville. Mark Wahlberg was born that year, and everybody's favorite or least favorite Soviet dictator, Nikita Khrushchev, died that year. So a lot has changed in the last 52 years, and now something else is changing. We're going to get a new city manager pretty soon. The mayor of Niceville, Daniel Henkel, reported that he has 16 applications in hand and is expecting double that number to come in by the end of the month, and that's when the process to select the new city manager will begin. I'm Christopher Saul, and this is Mid-Bay News.